that? Oh! I just got bit again. This must be too big of a lure or something because they keep missing. Oh. How do I keep missing them? If I was in a tournament right now, I would be mad. Ah! That's 5 bites. Yeah, I got him, finally. Alright guys, first one of the day. Man, what a beautiful color on him. Largemouth bass here at Santee Cooper. Caught him on a walking topwater. Missed a bunch of them today, but he finally got the hooks. He looks like a little 12-incher, so not a big fish, but hey, still a fish. Yeah, he's about 16 inches. That'd be a good catch. Let him go.
And I don't have my net out. Oh, and that went a rod. Oh, and a fish. And a rod. Oh, and there goes the net. And there's the fish. Oh, and it's a big fish. Man, that's a big fish. Oh, come on, baby, come on. Right there, in the net. Oh.
You look so silly.
Oh, and that was my walking bait too.
You do, you look so silly. You had rods and your arms are all crossed. You dropped the rod in the water, then you dropped your net in the water.
How silly is that?
There you go. Check that out.
That's silly.
Woo!
Look at that fish right there, baby. That is a Santee monster. Woo! Get out of there. All right, you rest for a second. Let me figure out.
Oh,
man. Oh, man.